All the phone companies will have some kind of texting capabilities. I don't think that that any of them are there. The reason is big part of having automation in the CRM, it's about sending text messages. If you're sending 100 emails, let's say that you will get 50% response. If you're sending 100 text messages, you will probably get 90% response. So when you have a lead coming in, it will say, "Hey, Oscar, it's Lior. Let me know how I can help you." As simple as that. And when someone sees on his phone this ping, he's just starting to type and replying to you, because subconsciously it's triggered as an alert, something that needs to be taken care of, not like an email. Those companies, Aircall and all the rest, they just don't have proper integrations into webhooks and into the CRM, and you're missing a huge functionality. For now, in 2020, I would recommend buying a Twilio number, which is like $1 a number. And when someone texts to this number, it goes to the CRM. And when someone dialed the number, you're redirecting from this number to the office number. And then you're not losing the call. And it's really inexpensive. I think every text message is about 0.001 or 0.003 cents per text. It's really nothing. And it's worth it. It's a very small amount to pay for a response. So it's great. Thank you very much for watching this session. I'm promoting now my Zoho CRM course. I am giving 50% off to my existing customers that tagged me as a partner. And of course, I'm also giving 50% off to new customers that tagging me as their partner. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this session. I will see you in the next one.